Exploring the Great Barrier Reef, a UNESCO Heritage Site travel guide. Welcome, adventurers. Today, at Night's Food and Travel, we're diving into the stunning world of the Great Barrier Reef. It is one of the most iconic natural wonders on our planet. Whether you're planning your next trip or dreaming of visiting someday, this guide will help you uncover everything you need to know. From hidden gems to where to stay, local food to cultural experiences, we've got it all covered. Closest coast and gateway cities. The Great Barrier Reef stretches along the northeastern coast of Australia, with its closest access points being Cairns, Port Douglas, and Airlie Beach in Queensland. Cairns is often referred to as the primary gateway to the reef, boasting excellent connectivity and a vibrant tourism scene. How to get to the Great Barrier Reef? From Cairns. Cairns is the most popular gateway to the Great Barrier Reef. Day tours. Head to the Cairns Marina, where many tour operators offer daily excursions. Options include high-speed catamarans to the outer reef, semi-submersibles, and glass-bottom boats. Popular destinations include Green Island, Fitzroy Island, and the outer reef pontoons. Booking. Tours like Reef Magic or Quicksilver Cruises offer pickup services from central accommodations. Self-guided trips. If staying on Green or Fitzroy Island, ferries from Cairns operate regularly. From Port Douglas. Port Douglas provides a more boutique and relaxed option for accessing the reef. Tours, Quicksilver Cruises, Calypso Reef Charters, and Wavelength operate trips to the Agincourt Reef, an outer reef system known for vibrant coral and marine life. Transportation to the marina. If you're staying outside town, shuttle buses or taxis can take you to the Port Douglas Marina. Travel note, the drive from Cairns to Port Douglas is around 1 hour via the scenic Captain Cook Highway. From Airlie Beach. Airlie Beach is the gateway to the Whitsunday Islands and reef systems nearby. Tours. Choose from catamaran trips, snorkeling tours, or scenic flights over Hart Reef. Day trips to Whitehaven Beach or Hamilton Island often combine reef visits. Operators like Cruise Whitsundays and Ocean Rafting provide various packages. Marina access. Tours generally depart from Able Point Marina, easily accessible from Airlie Beach town. Must-visit places and hidden gems. Main attractions. Outer reef tours. These include snorkeling and scuba diving in pristine coral gardens. Whitsunday Islands, famous for the breathtaking Whitehaven Beach. Green Island and Fitzroy Island, ideal for family trips and relaxing retreats. Hidden gems. Heron Island, a secluded paradise perfect for observing marine life. Lady Elliot Island, known for manta rays and clear waters, ideal for diving. Daintree Rainforest. Combine your reef trip with a visit to this lush UNESCO World Heritage Site nearby. Local and exotic food experiences. Seafood specialties. Feast on freshly caught barramundi, prawns, mud crabs, and Moreton Bay bugs. Tropical fruits. Indulge in locally grown mangoes, lychees, and bananas. Exotic options. Some restaurants serve kangaroo or crocodile dishes for the adventurous palate. Where to find food? Cairns Esplanade, known for its food markets and waterfront restaurants. Port Douglas Market offers a mix of local produce, artisanal goods, and street food. Accommodation options. Budget-friendly stays. Cairns has affordable hostels like Gilligan's Backpacker Hotel or Cairns Central. Airlie Beach offers budget motels and cabins near the Whitsundays. Luxury experiences. Qualia Resort in Hamilton Island for unmatched opulence. Sheridan Grand Mirage Resort in Port Douglas for beachfront luxury. Shopping spots. Cairns Night Markets, perfect for souvenirs, local crafts, and snacks. Airlie Beach Lagoon Markets, great for handmade jewelry and boutique items. Aboriginal art galleries, explore indigenous art and culture in specialty shops around Cairns. Budget range for a 5-day stay. For budget travelers, in Australian dollars, $1,500 to $2,000 covering hostels, budget tours, and public transport. For mid-range, in Australian dollars, $3,000 to $4,500 for comfortable accommodations, dining, and activities. For luxury, in Australian dollars, $7,000 plus for exclusive resorts, private charters, and fine dining. Best months to visit. The ideal time is June to October, during the dry season, when the weather is pleasant, and water visibility is at its peak for diving and snorkeling. Avoid stinger season, November to May, although protective suits are provided for swimmers. Nightlife. Cairns offers a lively nightlife scene with bars like the Wolst and waterfront venues. For a quieter evening, Port Douglas boasts refined wine bars and fine dining options. Getting around? Tours and charters. Reef trips are best booked with accredited tour operators. Self-drive. Renting a car is ideal for exploring nearby towns and hidden gems. Public transport. Buses connect key areas but may not reach remote locations. Cultural and experience tours. Aboriginal cultural experiences. Learn from indigenous guides about their connection to the land and sea. Eco-tours. Focus on sustainable exploration of the reef and surrounding areas. What to avoid? Touching or standing on coral, which damages this fragile ecosystem. Feeding marine life, as it disrupts their natural behaviors. Health and safety. Wear sunscreen that's reef safe to protect marine life. Pay attention to jellyfish warnings during stinger season. Stay hydrated and wear sun protection during excursions. Taboos. Respect local customs and indigenous traditions, particularly if visiting sacred sites. Attend any welcome to country or acknowledgement of country ceremonies when offered. These are culturally significant and show respect for traditional landowners. Avoid touching or disturbing sacred sites, such as specific reefs, islands, or rock formations that are culturally significant. Always follow signage and guidelines provided by local authorities or indigenous rangers. Ask for permission before taking photos of people or cultural performances, as this can be sensitive in some communities. Avoid using or imitating sacred symbols, dances, or ceremonies without permission, as these are integral to spiritual practices. Final reminders. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a destination, it's an experience that blends nature, adventure, and culture. Pack wisely, book tours in advance, and immerse yourself in this spectacular marine wonderland. Thank you for joining us on this virtual trip to the Great Barrier Reef. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knight's Food and Travel for more amazing guides. See you in the next adventure.